How to use free VPN in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Next, launch a Chrome browser on your device. As you launch the Chrome browser, make sure that your screen is in your desktop side. Make sure we have a desktop side, for which we're gonna just tap on the search bar and first of all search for Chrome Web Store. So as we tap on the Chrome Web Store, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the three dotted lines and toggle on the desktop side. Now tap on the search extensions and themes at the top of the screen and search for free VPN. So let's search for free VPN over here. And as you search for it, you can see there are different options for free VPN. So simply you can select any of these and add to your extensions. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.